So I want to talk about how I used Wwise to implement a nature ambience in Unity for this top-down 2D pixel art game I'm currently working on. So let's navigate to the nature ambience blend container. I used a blend container because I wanted to blend this wind ambience random container with this bird sequence container. So within this wind ambience container, I just have my wind ambiences here. And I also have my bird sequence container. And within this bird sequence container, I have a bird chirps random container populated with various cardinal sounds and pitch shifts applied to make it sound like there are different types of birds. So if we can demo that. So that is just sequencing through all these cardinal sounds. And then I also have this Wwise silence applied, so that way there can be moments of randomized silence in between the bird chirps. And these two are blended together into this nature ambience container. So now let's jump over into Unity and I'll talk about how I implemented this in the engine here. So we are going to go to our house garden scene, this outside area, and under the audio manager, I just have a few AK events added in here. First, you want to add in your AK banks, AK game object, load on start. And we're going to go down here to our AK event, trigger on start, because when the game starts, you want the nature ambience to trigger. And we also have our AK event, outside ambience. You're also going to hear the outside music in this too. So I just have both of these added as an AK event and the audio manager on this scene right here. So let's go ahead and play this little area and see what it sounds like.